Hello everyone, welcome to today's Qigong teachings on the purification of the lung practice. This practice is called breath infusion and it's very effective for purifying the lungs and bringing in the energy from around you because the lungs are collecting the qi or the life force energy and then nourishing the entire body with that life force energy. So let's begin by coming into the Wu Ji posture, the standing posture of Qigong, by bringing the feet shoulder width apart. Gentle bend in the knees, not allowing the knees to go past the toes. And we allow the tailbone to sink down as the pubic bone slightly floats up. The arms are out to the sides, the shoulders are relaxed, and we lace the thumbs together and rest the center of the palm about 2 inches below the navel over the entrance to the lower dantian, the energy center. From here, we're going to begin to do our deep abdominal breathing into the lower dantian in the lower abdomen. As you inhale, gently fill the belly and let the belly expand out. As you exhale, the belly moves back to the spine. We'll do 3 breaths here. Inhale, belly expanding out. The rest of the body's calm and relaxed. And as you exhale, let that belly move back to the spine. 2 more times. Gentle inhale, belly expanding. Gentle exhale through the nose, belly moving back to the spine. 1 more time. Gentle inhale and a gentle exhale. Now, for the breath infusion practice, we're going to do 3 sips of breath. The first sip is into the belly, the second sip is into the chest, and the third sip is all the way into the head, activating the 3 dantians. Let's begin. As we inhale, fill the belly. Second sip into the chest. Third sip all the way into the head. Hold the breath for a moment. Keep the body relaxed. And through the nose, we gently exhale to the end of the breath. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale into the lower dantian in the belly. Inhale into the middle dantian in the chest. Inhale into the third dantian in the head. Hold the breath. Relax the body and face. And through the nose, we gently exhale to the end of the breath. 1 more round. Inhale into the belly. Second sip into the chest. Third sip all the way into the head. And hold the breath. Relaxing the body and face. And through the nose, we gently exhale. Good. Now we begin the breath infusion flow. So let's release the hands and place them gently in front of the abdomen. And we'll take 3 sips again, this time moving the arms with the sips. So we inhale into the belly, into the chest, into the top of the head, raising the arms up overhead, holding the breath in, gentle fist here. And through the nose, we exhale, floating the hands down. Then we inhale the arms to the sides and up, collecting the qi. And as we exhale, float the hands down the center line of the body, washing the qi down through the center line, the central channel. Take a calming breath here. And we'll do it again. Inhale. Again, inhale into the chest. And inhale all the way up overhead, gentle fist in the hands, holding the breath. And as we exhale, gently float the hands down the center of the body, washing that qi down. And inhale, float the arms up, collecting the qi from all around you. And exhale, gently floating the hands down the center line of the body. Relaxing the hands here, calming breath. And last round. Inhale, sip into the abdomen, into the chest. Up overhead, hold the hands in gentle fists, holding the breath in. Then exhale through the nose, floating the hands down the center line of the body. And as we inhale, float the arms up to the sides, collecting the qi. And as we exhale, allow that qi to shower down over the top of the head and through the center of the body. We'll bring the hands back in front of the lower navel, in front of the abdomen. We'll clasp the hands together, resting the center of the palm just below the navel. And we'll take a few calming breaths here, storing the energy in the lower dantian, the energy center in the abdomen. Now you can do this as many rounds as you like. This is a great practice to start the day or to invigorate your mind and body any time of the day. Wishing you a day full of Qi, full of life force energy. Blessings.